Well, good morning, and it's another lovely day in Prague. This is our last full day in Prague, and today we are heading to the Petrin Hill. Our CEO, Christin, is taking us there, and she's going to give us a bit of a guided tour. That'll be in the morning. In the afternoon, well, we may make it up as we go along, but come with us. Should be another great day in this beautiful, beautiful city. So we are walking to get the number 9 tram. Here comes number 9. So if you want to walk the hill, there's the path you take. But if you want to get a ticket to the funicular, here's where you go. A lot of arrows here. There's the Eiffel Tower. Here we go, Jay's counting. Whoa.
117 so far.
Okay, 117.
Steps.
Where's the, oh, there's the church. There's the castle. Yeah, that's good. That's good. How many steps was it, Jay? 299?
299 if I counted correctly.
Yeah. You feel it wobbling?
Yeah. There they are.
Here they come from
Ladies.
coming up the capsule. What was it like in the capsule?
Hi.
Right?
Yeah.
Claustrophobic?
No.
I can get in here.
Wow.
There's the castle. Now we're going to walk through the gardens now. Some nice roses here. Look at your lavender, Andre. This is the observatory for watching the stars. This is a map of the park. It's not very clear to me, but it's a tree now. So I think we're descending from the Petrin Hill back into the city. Okay, now we have a little pond.
It's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah. It's not the Little Mermaid now, but it's... more customers for the funicular. So we have decided to call this wall the mini Lenin wall. That nice bit of graffiti, and then all these scooters and bikes in front of it.
But you know how you know it's not the Lenin Wall? Because there's no people here.
Ah, yes. Well, the intrepid tourists are back on the move, and we are now heading. Well, the plan is to do a river cruise, and on the river cruise today will be Andrea, Denise, and Jay. Jay's leading the way. It's our boat, I think. It's not Andrea's boat, it's Adria's boat. Down by the river. Do you want to get up on top? Sure. Because it.
Yep.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Vltava River boat cruise. Our stewards are here to make you comfortable and offer you light snacks and refreshments. Prague Boats Company wishes you a pleasant journey. On our right, in the low structure of Herget's brickyard, you'll find the Franz Kafka Museum.
Franz Kafka. He's over here.
Rechts vom Schiff befindet sich das Franz Kafka Museum. Dort mündet ein Oberarm der
Here's the trumpeter.
der von den Häusern des sogenannten
Here's the trumpeter.
That's a different. That's a cracked down. Wow, he's blowing hard.
Couldn't hear him that good.
We couldn't hardly hear him in the square. What have you been drinking?
Po prawej stronie, w niskim budynku cegielni Herbieta,
Yeah.
znajduje się Muzeum Franza
I'm
Kafki.
turning around.
Tu ujście ma
No, we're going through.
That's the lesser town.
River's left bank underneath Prague Castle, the bridge passes underneath Lesser Town Bridge Tower. On the opposite bank, you can see the somewhat higher Old Town Bridge Tower.
It's getting like Venice. Boats everywhere. Look at this, Jay, there's boats everywhere. There's the stag do. Let's go. We have made it off the boat. Look at him. Oh, he's very proud of himself, isn't he? Yeah. Okay, we're walking across the bridge now after that lovely boat trip. You enjoy that, Andrew?
It's very relaxing. Very relaxing.
Yes, we sort of slowed the pace of the holiday down there. Here we are. There's the sign, and here we are. Here are some pictures of the hostages in Gaza. Pinkasova Synagogue. All the names. It's in alphabetical order, is it? Yeah. Who am I picking that up? But it says Arnold. Here is the old Jewish cemetery. There's a lot of headstones. They're sort of, I don't know, higgledy-piggledy a wee bit, but pressed in so close to one another. It's not like a traditional graveyard at all.
Jewish cemetery, more than 12,500 tombstones spanning 3.5 centuries.
Wow.
Of Prague jewelry.
Ooh. And you've got all the ones over here. There's ones on the wall.
Right back to front, but you know you start here.
Yeah. Look at the bird that is just flown into the... It's got a light blue marking on it. Do I see it there? Thank you. So this is the ceremonial hall. Jewish writing on the wall. Look at the glassing. So here's the room. Wow. It says, covering one's head during prayers is a sign of awe and humility which believers feel in God's presence. Most frequent head covering is the kippah. Women as a rule wear kerchiefs during services. These are the Torah scrolls, kept securely. Oh, it's upstairs as well. Ooh. And you get an overall perspective of the synagogue here.
Active synagogue in Europe.
This
Built
one?
in the 1280s in the Gothic style. Home to many legends, notably that of Gollum, brought to life by Rabbi Lowe.
Excellent. So next we are heading to the Spanish Synagogue, and that is down this way. If I can get across this road without getting killed. Denise is in charge. of the map reading. Denise is very good. She has got us here. Look at this guy here. It's an odd. That's Franz Kafka sitting on top of something. Look at this room. Look at this at the front. It's absolutely amazing. Wow. Look at the roof. Look at the roof. The lower level. There's Andrea. It's absolutely incredible. Goodness. Wow. Andrea is deep in thought. Deep in thought. So, as a Brucey bonus, we've just come over to the train station because there's some very nice photographs to be had here. Oh yes. Look at this. So we finally got the upper level facade of the train station, and it's fantastic. Look at that for a train station. Absolutely spectacular.